In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new event in Calendly. Whether you're managing one-on-one appointments or organizing group sessions, Calendly makes scheduling simple, efficient, and stress-free. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a customized event that aligns with your specific needs, making it easier than ever for clients, colleagues, or friends to book time with you. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, log into your Calendly account. Once you're in, head over to the Event Types section. This is the central hub where all your existing events and scheduling options live. Think of it as your personal command center for managing every type of meeting you offer. Now, look toward the top of the screen and click the plus Create button. This is where the magic begins. It's how you start creating a brand new event type. When you click, you'll see a list of event options. Select the one that best suits your needs. For example, you could choose one-on-one meeting for individual sessions or group session if you're organizing an event with multiple attendees. Calendly is built to accommodate a wide range of scheduling scenarios, so pick the option that fits your purpose. Once you've made your selection, you'll be taken to the Event Type Editor. This is where you customize all the details of your event. Start by giving your event a descriptive name. Remember, this name will appear to your invitees, so it's important to make it clear and specific. For example, instead of just meeting, you might name it something like Project Kickoff Call or Yoga Class with Sarah. A good event name sets expectations and gives your attendees a clear idea of what they're signing up for. Next, assign a color to your event. This might seem like a small detail, but it's actually a great way to keep your scheduling page visually organized. If you're managing multiple events, assigning different colors can help you quickly distinguish between them at a glance. After that, specify the duration of your event. Calendly allows you to set the length of your meeting to fit your schedule, whether that's 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, or longer. This step is essential because it ensures your calendar stays accurate and helps your attendees understand how much time they'll need to set aside. Now it's time to decide on the location of your meeting. Calendly gives you several options here. You can choose a video conference call and connect it to a tool like Zoom or Microsoft Teams. If you go this route, make sure you have your preferred video conferencing tool integrated with Calendly beforehand. Alternatively, you can select phone call if that's your preferred method of communication. Just in case you're planning to meet in person, you can also specify a physical location, such as your office or a nearby coffee shop. Choose the option that aligns with the type of meeting you're hosting. Next, it's time to set your availability. This step is critical to ensure your event only gets booked during times that work for you. Calendly lets you apply rules to make this process seamless. For instance, you can add buffer times between meetings to prevent back-to-back appointments. You can also set limits on how soon before an event someone can book. For example, you might want to prevent last-minute bookings by requiring at least 24 hours notice. Take a moment to configure these settings so they match your routine. Once you've completed those steps, take a moment to review all the details of your event. Double-check everything, from the event name to the duration, location, and availability. This is your chance to make sure everything looks perfect before saving your work. And finally, when everything is set up the way you like, click the Create button to save your new event type. That's it. Your event is now live and people can start scheduling with you. So now you know how to create a new event in Calendly, from setting up the event details to customizing your availability. If you have any questions about this process or would like to see tutorials on other features, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.